Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. We're at a gas station right now, me and Nigel. Today we're going to be showing you guys how IE's anti-lag works, rolling anti-lag. It is in beta testing still. He's one of the few cars that actually has it, like worldwide. Like nobody else really has it. So we're going to go and test it out, see how much fun it is. He has a manual. I think they're only coming out in manuals first, right? Is that what's going on? Or what?
DSG was first.
Oh, DSG? Oh, so DSG already has it?
Not publicly.
Okay, not publicly, but they had it first. Unlike,
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Evan Shanks.
Oh, right. Apparently that car, they flashed it back after he gave it away. Apparently, that's what they said.
They didn't want the person to have it.
Yeah, right. But I thought, I don't know. I think they kept it on. 'Cause I remember seeing a video of that guy. Anyways, locked up the car. All right, let's go for a little drive. All right, we're in the car. He's gutted it out, everything. He actually usually has this seat out as well. Good thing he had this in today, because you know
I
then we
put
can.
it in for this video.
Yeah, good. But it sounds so hollow in here. Mine's just back seats, and I still have all my other stuff like sound deadenation. He doesn't have anything, so let's start it up. You know what? It's pretty quiet when you don't get on it in your car, which is kind of crazy.
It's very loud when you're driving though.
I bet. All right, so first things first, I forgot to tell, I've actually driven Nigel's car only once. And I haven't driven manual in a long time. Bro, it's crazy. But he got a new clutch, and I can tell it's a new clutch for sure. So you want to talk me through how you have to like do it?
Okay, well, downshift a second. Okay, so basically you have to turn on cruise control, so that little icon in the bottom left is on where it shows MPH.
Is it right here? Is it cruise control?
No, it's already on.
Oh, it's already on. Okay.
But you use the top right button on the left hand side of the steering wheel.
The reset button?
No, to the right.
The right? This one?
That turns
really?
on and off cruise control.
Oh, okay. That's
and then
control.
to use it is the CNL, the cancel
Oh,
button.
okay.
You hold it down and floor it, but
gotcha.
you gotta be higher RPM.
Gotcha.
You want to like rev it out to the rev limiter though.
So I'll go in neutral right now and rev it and hold the button. That's pretty cool. Oh my god. Alright, that's crazy. Okay, we're just gonna do another test run. I'm not even revving it out or anything or trying to go fast. Just kind of trying to show you guys what it like sounds like. So let's go up to 4K. Push down button, push the throttle, and oh my god. Yo, that is gnarly. Oh, you can do like launch control too, right? Technically.
Yeah, like right here you could.
So what you put in the first gear and what you do? Like you have to slip the clutch.
It's the same thing. No, you can just
clutch.
clutch.
Oh, that's crazy. I don't want to do it, but that's cool to know that you can do that.
It will break traction unless you have.
Yeah, I mean, especially right now, our roads are damn as hell.
Damn, look, you're getting gap, bro.
Oh my god.
What's going on?
Oh my god, I don't have track. Wait, I didn't even press the gas on that. I'm just holding it.
Oh yeah, it'll still hold it.
It'll do that sometimes?
Yeah. No, it'll hold it even if you don't put the gas, but you're not gonna build boost.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Sheesh, that is gnarly. Maybe do like one or two more at most. So wait, you can press the button, and then right now I can take off the clutch and then just press the gas?
Oh no, you have to hold in the clutch.
Oh, okay.
But like you don't have to slip it.
So basically it's like, oh, okay, I got you. That wasn't a launch, it was just me trying it. How do you pop every shift? Does that not get annoying to you?
No, not at all.
I bet. Honestly, I like popping too, but I don't pop every shift like that.
Well, you're a DSG.
Yeah. True that. God damn. Okay, ready? And okay. Oh my god. Woo! Okay, I think we've had enough. I'm gonna go back. I'll explain to you guys what's going on with the car and what he has done to it too. So. Alright, I'm running out of battery right now, but so this car is a Mark 7 GTI IS38. He's on Flex Fuel, the True Flex from IE. What else? You're probably running on like an E60, right? On a good day? On a good day, he's running E60. They have some issues with the fuel pump right now because of just stuff, like tuning stuff. He bought the wrong fuel pump. It basically is not that good. Like, I think, what is it, from APR?
Yeah.
I guess we shouldn't be name dropping, but at the same time, like
HPA is the pump they recommend.
yeah, HPA is what you want to run on this car if you are doing IE. Here, I'll show you the engine bay. You want to turn the light on? Probably not much to see really, but I guess you got that. Yeah. So IE oil. What do they call it? Catch can. Is that IE?
Yeah.
Yeah, IE. IS38. Catless down pipe. He has a resonator, and that's basically it, right? Just a resonator. Yeah. So we'll have him do a rev and see if we can shoot some flames, and hopefully don't do too much of it so we don't get cops caught on us. But it is raining out. Wait, can I just leave it in like here? Or
Leave it neutral.
neutral and just brake?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? I wasn't even flooring it.
Oh, try flooring
You
it.
have to try flooring it. All right, guys. I'm kind of scared. That definitely shot a flame, though.
I didn't have it on.
Oh, okay. It shot a flame, though. Oh, that's the most flames I've seen. Oh, that's the most flames I've seen from the car ever. Dude, it was shooting flames the whole time. Really? Yeah, the whole time. We'll play that back for Nigel, but. All right, a little bonus clip. Nigel's gonna see if I can shoot flames from my car. I don't have anti-lag or anything like that. Just pop. Oh, you saw? Okay, I was like, what? You can totally hear the engine from out here. You have traction? I was about to say, it's like, you don't have traction control on, huh? I mean, you do, I mean. All right, take 3, go. Sheesh. The boy really started all the way over here and just held it all the way over there. A big flame shot after him too. This is crazy how much flames this car shoots, and this is just on IE's like OTS basically. Yeah. Look at how much smoke in the car. Well, I'm glad you're getting rid of these tires eventually. So before you get rid of these tires, we're doing a full send off on those. We should have done that on mine. Oh, look at all that smoke. That's so funny. Again, it's beta testing. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, they already got it up and running for you guys. IE is the move. You guys see over here, I'm running IE as well on my car. If you guys been following the channel, thank you for Nigel coming out. He is my homie, so you've probably seen him in the videos before. Yep. And peace out. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Or just hit up IE. IE's gonna let you guys know about everything. Oh crap, it's raining really hard right now. All right, peace.